Hey guys, I just pulled the spark plugs out of this junkyard F-150 motor. Supposedly it has 23,000 miles, and I just wanted to do a quick video of what these spark plugs actually look like. They're the OEM Ford, we'll get into that in a minute here. I'm not sure what plugs I'm going to end up running. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with a Ford Motorcraft or an NGK. Do I go the F-150 OEM plug? Do I go the Mustang OEM plug? So we'll get into that in a second. I'm leaning toward the Mustang just because I'm running a Mustang calibration ECU, and eventually a Mustang tune for the headers and the intake manifold. But I'll get there when I get there. So super easy job. 8mm bolts to pull the coils off. Obviously disconnect them, they come right out. Your 5/8 socket, spark plug socket, things come right out, easy peasy. So this is what the plugs look like. So this one has some kind of corrosion on it inside the head there. There was like this white, it kind of looks like a battery acid. No idea what it is, but that one's the only one I'm really worried about. They all pretty much look, I guess, a little rich, but some of them had a little bit of debris on it. I do plan on kind of blowing out the chambers as much as I can and vacuuming or blowing out the I'll put new plugs in and blow it all out and kind of clean it as much as I can, but everything looks decent. And these are Ford CYFS1 to F1. Again, this is a 2017 F-150 motor. So this is what a junkyard motor with 23,000 miles spark plugs look like.